Well, welcome to another episode of Derelict Iron Man, and I'm way out in the middle of nowhere again, and look at all the wonderful things we can find out here in some farmer's junk pile. Got a real cool looking tricycle there. John Deere it says on it. I can't believe something like that would end up in a junk pile. More little bike there of some kind. Lots of tires and genuine trash. Got a big fuel barrel. Pretty good assortment of tires over here. Kinds. You got, oh wait, got another bicycle here. This one here, they literally rode the wheels off of it. Sprinkler tires. Yep, we got us a four-wheeler right here. It's been sitting out there in the weather for a bit. Could use a little TLC. We got a nice, pretty, bright chrome wheel there. Semi-truck tires. More sprinkler tires. Looks like the floor of a barn or something. Here we got a genuine John Deere hydrostatic drive combine. Yes, sirree. It's in premium shape. You got the wheels drove off it too. Got your international water truck right here. Got the great old straight 6 engine in it. Got the international pickup. Hey, look at this. You got a V8 in this baby. Got a flatbed trailer. Let's see if we can get inside. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, look at that upholstery. That stuff's pretty new. Got the 4-speed transmission. Got 70. Come on, focus. 75,137 miles on it. You got your nice deluxe radio in the glove box there and fuse panel. Nice chrome knobs. And this thing is worth, well, it's worth its weight in metal. Over here we got the old International 160 water truck or fuel truck, whatever the case may be. Here's your hood there on the ground in front of you. Mater would probably use that. Got a hydraulic motor there. Can't tell what the door used to say on it there. Oh my goodness. Mouse heaven. Oh. Hey, look at this baby. He's a pretty high age on the dash. Yeah, we got, so I got 18,071 miles. Heck, this thing ought to get a refit. And you still got all the rubber pads on the foot pedals. Yeah, premium shape here. John Deere combines. Got a few missing chains and things. A lot of missing wheels. Hey, we got a water pump back here. It's missing a few pieces though. Uh-oh. This one had an accident in the back end there. I think it got crunched into from the backside. Seems like I remember hearing a story about that happening. Farmer was driving the truck behind it and he reached down to light a cigarette or something, looked up and there he was. Yep, gotta go.